straight with the notes and from my grandma's house. It's on the 52-inch. Guitar suit parts that hit the bedpost, logos missing, it's got pieces of vest, and see the blades are painted white on the top, but there's that, and yeah, okay fan, and let's get started. It's a white or three-way setting, and it goes those two first, and these two all four. And stop on low. There's my thing that be about my fucking eye. This one's faster rolling out lines for sure, but I think I'm not fast. Me and this one, I'm not on that good. This one together. It's low. This one low 24/7. Like right now, I've been off a tad on my road, and these are off right now. And this time of the evening, some of these on low, and sometimes on the this one does sometimes, most of them have don't really do that one. But yeah, let's go high. It's big like that one, but that's first time I've seen this recent on, so look, you got to see that. It's hanging, because that's two. Let's put shit. Right off. Alright. Well, hope I enjoyed. Goodbye.